Partita la terza serie per la seconda, Christopher Gessi in 1, Luca Pedon in 2, Luca Pegorin in 3, Matteo Rossi in 4, Tommaso Toniolo in 5, Riccardo Stefanutti in 6, Matteo Musella in 7, Cristian Zanin in 8.
Hey boy, take me off the radar. People said we'd never go far. Look at you, so take me away from here. Turbo boost me into your stratosphere. Looking fine, got you in my sight. I surrender, won't put up a fight. You're my darling, I adore you. I'll stand by you, always be true. Space out, clear motion, take me on a rocket ride. Don't say no, cause I won't be denied. You're my boy, and I'm your girl. Take me out of this messed up world. Out the window, there's the tiny earth in your arms.
Siamo in arrivo con la terza serie maschile, dalla corsia te Giacomo Creazzo, Leo Sport 1, 13 e 38. Sul miglior tempo quando parte la serie numero 2.